Fahad Fasil, our beloved Feifei, is back, this time in Telugu. Aparadi, the Telugu dubbed version of the Malayalam thriller Idu Uva, is streaming on AHA. This taut 90-minute mystery featuring Saubin Shair and Darshana Rajendran unfolds entirely within one house with just 3 characters. A weekend getaway turns sinister when a couple seeks shelter from the rain only to stumble upon a dead body and a web of chilling secrets. Can you handle the suspense? Aparadar, the Telugu dubbed version of the Malayalam thriller Irul, starring Fahad Fasil, Sobin Shahir and Darshana Rajendran, offers a unique viewing experience on the AHA Opera, the Telugu platform.
This tightly wound mystery unfolds entirely within a single house, featuring just 3 characters and a runtime of only 90 minutes. The story follows Alex, successful writer, and his girlfriend Archana, a lawyer, on a weekend getaway designed to deepen their connection.
Leaving their phones behind, they aim for a tech-free escape, but their plans are derailed when rain and car trouble force them to seek shelter in a secluded house inhabited by the enigmatic Uni. What begins as an inconvenient detour quickly spirals into a chilling nightmare when Alex discovers a woman's body, immediately suspecting Uni. Suspecting. However, Ani cleverly turns the tables, revealing secrets about Alex to Archana, sowing seeds of doubt and blurring the lines between truth and lies. The film becomes a tense psychological game of cat and mouse, leaving both Archana and the audience questioning who the real killer is, Alex or Uni.
And will Archana escape the increasingly claustrophobic and dangerous situation alive? While the initial pacing is slow, focusing on introducing Alex and Archana's the tension-selling encounter, the ink driven primarily by dialogue keeps the audience guessing the slow, focus serial killer's identity until the unconventional climax which defies typical tropes. While some twists are predictable, the film's strength lies in the powerful performances of its 3 leads. Fahad Fasil steals the show with his chilling portrayal of Uni, his distinct look and mannerisms adding to the character's unsettling aura. Darshana Rajendran delivers a compelling performance as Archana caught in a web of deceit and fear.
Sobin Shair effectively portrays the complex character of Alex. The scenes where suspicion shifts between Alex and Uni are particularly well executed, highlighting the actor's skills. Aparadhi is an experimental film that will particularly and on psychological thrillers and those who appreciate Fasil's captivating screen presence. Fasil's captivating screen presence.
While not without its flaws, the film's unique setting, concise storytelling, and unpredictable climax, combined with the strong performances, make it a worthwhile watch for those seeking a novel thriller experience. Aparadhi offers a taut, engaging thriller experience elevated by Fahad Fasil's magnetic performance. Despite minor shortcomings, its experimental approach and nail-biting climax resonate.
This Telugu dubbed Irul marks a promising entry into Tollywood for Fasil, hinting at a successful crossover career. Expect to see more of him gracing our screens soon.